Hi, I'm Laura, also known as Omniyogagirl, and this is a tutorial on how to get into an arm balance variation called Eka Pada Koundinyasana 1. It's also quite affectionately referred to as Epic. So Epic 1 is, well, it's best to think of it, I think, as an advanced side crow variation. You can also think of it as flying splits, but with a twist added to it as well. So I would definitely recommend that you feel confident in your side crow before you give this a try. The steps, first we're going to get into side crow, and then we're going to extend our legs into the kind of the twisted flying split shape. So make sure your wrists are really well warmed up, your core is well warmed up as well, and it would also be a good idea to warm up with some twists. Okay, so to come into our Eka Pada Koundinyasana 1, we definitely want to set up a deep twist first. And I think that the deeper you can set up a twist to begin with, the easier it will make it to come into the full expression of the pose. So twisting around, really pull the belly in and hook an arm over the thigh. Hands are placed down shoulder width apart. Spread the fingers slightly and have the wrist crease parallel with the front of the mat. So again, trying to work the twist as deeply as you can. Grip the mat, have the fingers apart slightly. Then come into your side crow. So look where you're going, tip the weight forwards, bend the arms, hug the elbows in, lift the feet up. And then extending the bottom leg, and flying the back leg, really extending through both feet, quads engaged, arms strong. And then bring the legs back and come back down. So I hope that demonstration of how to get into Epic 1 gives you a good idea of how to approach the pose and the things you need to be thinking about. So just a few other points to consider and a couple of kind of do's and don'ts. So one thing we don't want to do is allow our chest to collapse. We want the chest to reach forward, keep the shoulders strong and broad. And also we want to really use the arms and keep them very strong and engaged. So the elbows kind of hug in towards the midline. We don't want to allow them to splay out to the side. And keep kind of working on deepening the twist. So perhaps think on the inhale as creating length in the spine and creating space, and on your exhales, deepening the twist in order to kind of keep that front leg firmly pinned to the shelf that the arms are making. So really use the breath in this pose, try and keep it nice and steady and nice and full, and keep working into that twist. And in order to extend the legs, we really want to engage the quads and pull the kneecaps up. So we should feel the quads working and think about extending through the base of big toes, so extending out away from the body to straighten the legs. I really hope that's helpful. As always, please leave any suggestions in the comment section, and please don't forget to click subscribe. Thank you very much.